In this video, I shall share a method on using R in Power BI Desktop to unzip the compressed Excel files based on the identified file name extensions of extracted files, such as CSV, xlsx, xls, and xlsb, etc. Then combine them if they have the same column headers and table structure. Finally, load the combined data frame into Power BI for further data modeling. The introduced R script in this video only focus on loading zipped files from local machine, but it is possible to have slight modifications on R script to be able to fulfill the such automatic features online and cloud side with the required respective HTTP URL paths and access logins. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare the received compressed sample files. We have 4 Excel files with extensions CSV, XLS, xlsx, and xlsb. All of them have the same data table structure, same column numbers, with the same column headers. After compressing them, we get the zipped folder for the zipped 4 files as download zipped BPM 2023-2020. Inside the folder, we can see that they have the small compressed size in different format types. Assume that we have received and downloaded automatically the zipped files from the email attachment or from cloud side to our local hard drive. In the demo approach, I use the RStudio to edit R code lines. Regarding the local installation of R Engine and RStudio, please refer to my previous video suggested in right top corner. Launch RStudio. In Source Editor, we first need to install and load the 4 packages: readxl, zip, openxlsx, and readxlsb. Step 2. Define the source path where we download the zip files and create destination path for the output of extracted files. Step 3. Check if output dir exists. If not, create it. If exists already, check if any previous file returned there. If there is any one, then clear it to empty the folder. Step 4. Unzip compressed files. The first line unzips the contents of a compressed zip file with argument to specify the path to the zipped file we want to extract. Allows overwriting existing files in the output directory if any has the same name as the zip file. Sets the output directory where the unzipped files will be placed there. The second line creates a list of all Excel files with their full paths within the specified output directory. Argument pattern use the expression to match files with any alphabetic extension, e.g. xlsx, xls, csv, etc. The full dot names returns the full file's path instead of just the file names. Step 5. Read and store the data frame from the unzipped Excel files. The first line initializes the empty list called data list. It will be used to store the data frames that will be read from the Excel files in the next steps of the loop codes. Then we follow up the big part of the code lines, which are looping through each Excel file, read it based on its extension, and convert it to CSV files type if they are not CSV. So for each extracted file, get its file extension. If the extension is a CSV, read the data frame into the storage data list. If the extension is XLS, then first read the data frame into storage data list by read XL function as the ith element. Then convert this XLS file in storage as a CSV file with argument passed 0 to combine strings for creating the full name by base name function, which actually removes the extension from the original Excel file name and appends the .csv as extension. The raw dot names to preventing writing raw names to the CSV file. If the extension is xlsx, same action as above to read and convert this xlsx type file. If the extension is xlsb, the converting steps are almost the same as above. Only difference is that before converting xlsb to CSV, we need to ensure that all date timestamps in xlsb are UTC from Unix timestamps. After this step 5, we have only CSV file data frames stored in data list. Last step, check if all data frame structures are compatible, preventing errors due to mismatched column name. Then create a single unified data frame for further analyzing and processing. In this step, we first initialize a combined DF data frame holder with predefined column header names. If the frame holder has been there before, then we need to clean its data by removing its data row only. Then we loop through the all data frames in data list and combine them if they have the same column names. We check if each file data frames within data list has identical column names with ones in combined DF data frame holder. If yes, combine it into the combined DF. Otherwise, leave those column name mismatch in file in a new undid row. Run the whole R script code lines. Have a quick check on the generated result. Combined data frame, combine DF. Yes, good. Let's copy the R codes and move to Power BI desktop file. In the desktop file on the Home tab in top ribbon, click the Get Data icon. Choose the R script and connect. In the R script editor, paste the copied R codes. OK. The generated combined data frame appears for selection. Select it and clear Transform button. In the query editor, check the data in each column and do necessary data transformation and clean up. Then close and apply the queries. We get the combined dataset in Power BI and Data View. From here, we can do further works on modeling and reporting. That is all about in this demo. This video shared a method by using R in Power BI Desktop to unzip the compressed Excel files based on the identified file names extension, such as CSV, xlsx, xls, and xlsb, etc. Then combine them if they have the same column headers in data table. Finally, load the combined data frame into Power BI for further data modeling and analyzing. Thanks for watching. If you like to watch more videos from my channel, please press subscribe button. See you in next video.